Hello, Tavishi. How are you?
I'm fine, miss. How are you, miss?
I'm fine, thank you. Can you tell me what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is waffle from Belgium.
That's great. And how does it taste?
It tastes sweet and crunchy, which is very delicious.
Amazing. And when do you usually eat it?
I eat it occasionally because it is my favorite food. My parents like to treat me with it.
So who makes it for you? Or do you just get it from a shop?
I do both. I also make it. I also get it from shop. My mother usually helps me to make it.
That's great. And why do you like it?
I like it because of its savor, sweet and crunchy texture.
That's great. And do you have any memory of this food?
Yes, my memory is the first time when I eat it. My uncle and aunt decided to treat me with it because I did well in exam. That is the best moment when I had with waffle.
Dreamers Academy. Dream, learn, lead.